When I think, I'm from the Hanover, Montego Bay area, St. James area. So when I see them people that dress, go out to go and walk a morning time. In a PNP days, they have no call center free zone. They have to go sew a piece of panty or sew a piece of panty. They stuff if make one whole panty. 10 people in they have the use to make one whole panty. Now, them call zone, people from foreign can't come to Jamaica now, come show off for nobody don't at Jamaica no more because Andrew Holness put Jamaica out there. So all me say, Mark Golden, we don't want no alcoholic to run Jamaica. Number one, we don't want no alcoholic. Because Mark Golden is an alcoholic. If you can go one of your campaign them, go campaign and a drunk, well, you don't need to be a Prime Minister of Jamaica. I let down that and push back. Rum bar, drop off a rum tree thing that we're not in that no more. We say prosperity. We say put our children first. And that's what we're doing right now. Putting our children first and foremost because them are the future. Them are the future. And that's all. Thank you for my time.
Christopher, what more be my MG? Christopher and the boat. Alright, man of God. Go and start the ball roll and then we'll come back to purpose, child. What more be my man of God?
Check in. Show a labor right.
Yes, daddy, respect.
Yeah, man. You big up on yourself every time. Brother, me can't tell anybody. You see what I mean? Me born and grew at Jamaica, born and grew at Chilani. So I mean, lived there for years. And I see PNP party come and run Chilani for decades and we don't get nothing, brother. From during coming up power, we make boom so we get road. We start get some little people, start get some little house and whatever. You see what I mean? For the less fortunate them. I live overseas, you see what I mean? But I come to Jamaica 7 times per year. Because I have my thing going down there, you see what I mean? And for me, I travel through all my whole existence. The best me ever see Jamaica. I go all about around the world. You see what I mean? Because of the job what I do. And if Jamaica people don't see it, what Andrew Holness do, something definitely wrong with them. Because everywhere me go, I 4 corners of the world, brother. Everybody applaud with Prime Minister and everything. So me not see how come you have some people and I don't understand them, to be honest. You can live in one community for 40 years. Those days now there again where you have to defecate in a plastic bag and I throw it all about over the place. And you have a man who say one can represent you and every time he come on stage him drunk. Everything when talk about and he can just belittle the stuff with Andrew Holness do for Jamaica.
God. The days them still there when time them when them are defecate in a plastic bag and a fling, man. I swear. It up so.
Why baby, I can't believe them the people so stupid because I can't believe. Me grew up in a part in a rural town, so we know say boy back in the days when time PMP in a power, latching tally. Anybody for we know about, make any tell anybody to make boom sound and start go through Christiana. They go down through Chilani and go look for houses. Make them go look for houses and how people live.
Man of God.
So, when Paul Patmore come talk about, go ahead, baby.
God.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. We used to come and wash up at all the more come by yam and sell a coronation market. Let me tell you, Chilani is a beauty now. Beauty. Me I go to Chilani for him. When him, but the man then here where Peggy used to work with up there. I saw Chilani there so. So when Paul Patmore come there, him just a come. Him don't know nothing about Chilani. The few little we run back at him, too bad for them. But when you talk, a book you talk. You hear me I tell you? A Christiana. Me go a Christiana and me I go in the Kentucky and me turn up about 2 hours. Forget you one little place in the line. Long go right out the door because all Chilani people don't have over and Morieva all boat in a Clarendon, Spal, in a Christian that didn't come by Kentucky.
Let me tell you something. Paul Patton is one of the most unfairest guy you don't ever know. I work with them for years. I used to work with Mr. Patmore. I used to be one of the lead technicians. I used to be mechanic for them. And Mr. That man, the business closed down under PMP rule of government. That man, they do too much, so much for people. And when no film's son, because the place when built, when have done a lower over so. And Mr. P buy it, go down there, do the whole blueprint and get people, man, to check out it so them can able to build the parlor. Because everywhere in build parlor, they move him. Them keep moving because he was always unsanitary.
I one side Patmore, you know, remember saying the wife and the husband, because Mr. Patmore, me and him go the same church. Patmore, him not change turn PMP, the father not turn PMP.
No man, that man a labourer telling dead man.
Oh.
That man a labourer telling dead. That man would never vote for PMP. Never. That man would never vote for PMP.
That the one of the jacket Patmore, you know, so ugly different family that picking it with Mrs. Patmore have. Ugly close stacks.
But with him, we don't want to dwell upon him because him is like a whatever. I don't know how people remember can. We just talk about the growth and the build where Mr. Holness build Jamaica. And if them can't see it, them always are go there at the back. So what we need to do, we don't need four about PMP. We don't need four about PMP. We just need four about how the country are built, the infrastructure we man put in place for the kids them, and the houses we get the old people them, and all these things. Let's fortunate people. So if we can focus on that, we don't have to listen to nothing at all because the rural see, people see, PMP see, labor rights see. So the PMP them are run, we just run back a mark hole, just because they get 2,500 Jamaica dollar. You see what I mean? Like, yeah man, like $1.99 US. So how can you run back a man where you in a film place when run? Because I never even not even know say I run in a jungle. In a film place when run, it a pop down or whatever, and they might invest 20 million US.
I want him to say, man of God no dead, because when they do Andrew with IC and the IC with corruption, and look what happened, the Andrew lawyer last week asked the judge to give them the 30 or $40 million investigation of the IC with the forensic account where they investigate, and them have it for over 1 year, and them say nothing funny, and then don't give it up, then don't want the parliament, then don't want the nobody. But now the judge ordered them to give. So last week Friday then give him. So you think if Andrew did have corruption funny, they won't read out that long time? Come on.
The thing is with the IC is a political stunt, and everybody should have known. So with Mark Golden them, because with the man Peter Bunting, they was back in the days them got them on in a most of the corruption in Jamaica. So them out there from long time, and that's why they might try to come back in a power now to come creep out what them see. Them know the amount of money where they in the kitty. So they want to come make a creep again and lead Jamaica people in devastation.
Jamaica people like idiot.
And that's why they want to come in.
Now I say something to you. I know Tanisha did it, I know some other labor rights did it. You see, if you didn't listen to Mr. Warmington the other night, you hear Mr. Warmington tell you how much million Mark Golden business too.
You know them feel suck, yes.
No,
we know them thing a long time, Sonny, man.
Yeah, we know about the here, Mr. Warmington always come with them solid facts, them look at. We vloggers, Showski, you know, so we are saying for almost a year now, but the PMP, they must say a lie. So Mr. Warmington come with him facts and he receive and I show and I tell you how much billions of dollars proving.
Yes.
Sonny, in the last year, a 2 big article come out with that in the last year, and I glean on the Observer. Yeah, man, them have the business they bleed, man.
It make you see them try everything for come back in a power, brother.
And they can't take care that the people them for do. Go put on X beside the beautiful bell.
Yo, on a
Mark Golden can't even run a constituency, brother.
He even can't fix himself.
Jamaica.
No, sir.
first night,
Come on,
me a
man.
I have to big up Purpose Child and Latina. Big up on yourself, mama. Because I'm telling you something. It's for all these almost 2 years, Christopher can tell you and show us. I just 1 and 2 people from over the place they can really talk and make people know how worthless Mark Golding is as an MP. And if he is a worthless MP, or if he be a good prime minister, and him can't, one little constituency he can't manage, so how you gonna manage 14, so maybe 15 parish? Mark Golding, you can't do nothing for it.
Yeah. That must be wrong. I'm going to come feed with
Sonny, I'm going to say this to you. You see the type of Jamaica where Andrew wants to try change, and where we are come from, that's some Mark Golding try to put us back to.
Yeah.
That level in all angles, in a crime, in a healthcare and everything. Because when people are talking about healthcare, people don't see what the government are doing. Because a lot of people pull up a hospital, where they need hospital care. You just need to go to one clinic,
Yeah.
That's why you see.
So we have to fix up the clinic them and keep the primary health care for specialist people and who want to stay overnight in the hospital and all them things.
I know, say my bill. All right, you see, your real thing, Because you see, like the clinic we are building now, whole over. It's not no clinic, it's a mini hospital. So you see, say him upgrade from clinic to mini hospital. So certain things, if it not major, you don't have to go to the big hospitals. You can just go to the mini.
Not at all, man.
Yeah.
Not at all. But Sonny, if you yourself know that, you see PNP, them not do them the thing that kill them off, and let the people rely only upon the hospital. So that's why them lock down all of the clinic, them and them thing there. And that's why when you go to hospital, you will see X amount of people, because people don't have nowhere else to go. Go get a blood check or a blood, test them bloods or check them for the diabetic and look at small things.
Because in England, bring them down and then realize. PNP now want them uplift.
Everybody got a GP, so if anything sick, you don't have to go to hospital. You got your GP, and your GP recommend where to go.
Yeah. They don't want to live life, man. They want to live like old fat. See, and we like Mark Golding, chaka. So they want to live.
Yeah. Mark Golding come past stage, I come chat to we as Jamaican like you chat to two local man on jungle corner. How you feel like you deal with Mark Golding? I'm sorry, man.
You need even know if you get a good speech to say, yeah, let me listen to that man.
Come talk, So that's why I just listen, no keep continuing to man. Maybe go and listen.
Yeah, Chris.
Me I hear bullet every day,
Yeah, man.
So we love you the fresh voice.
Anybody else down there don't want to send a request, send a request and come in, man. We have a lot of people if you go and do it, man. Can respect enough for this still, brother, because you know, we a long time, we mount a sitting and tell we for almost 2 years. So we want to make them sister Jamaica strong. And the woman them, Jesus Christ, my sister on the strong, I don't know what's good for our country and good for
What do you mean? Prosperity.
Yeah, we know we grew up in
I love you when the ladies them come out and talk, brother. Them sister, the ladies them strong.
Morning, Sunday than also.
Morning, General.
Morning, Chris. Surely about it.
Yeah, man. More, more go back to Lati again, more and gear after Showski finish, more and gear our next 5 minutes. And then
Sunday, you're there, all over, Neighbor.
Yeah, man, go and test me and listen to Sonny. Don't tell me I listen to young new voice them, so me listen.
Yeah, man. After Showski finish, man, I let them go and do them thing, man.
Sonny, in an early out, all about you put up 2 early clippings, in an early part, and I burn out some people, you see?
Yeah.
But after that, I watch me up on neighbor platform and a woman call. And the woman call him and the woman say, hey neighbor, hey, pay attention to that man. That I go empty man. This I go that man. That nobody now go this man. Wait. Neighbor say, all right, we are going to check back in our next 2 hours. All right, when neighbor check back in our next 2 hours, that the woman that can't be phone me, I tell you. So I told the place packed.
This is
nothing but me, I tell you. So I know say all PNP right now. Yeah, because crowd them are watching a PNP, Yeah, that's the type of psychology they are using now. So them traffic people all over the country, and make the crowd look big for say, yeah. And then, you know what I mean? But crowd can't win election, brother.
Taski, remember
1980,
Michael Mandy said 150,000 strong, can't be wrong. And then they
can't be wrong.
Wrong
and even 2011, G Keeper, 2011 up a Mandeville, in my eyesight, I biggest me ever see, 2011 up a Mandeville. One of the biggest crowd that man.
So me hear about that day.
Then Sonny,
I go and sis.
You remember what day when Mark Golding come down here?
And that me I tell you, Mark Golding saying come and have nobody. Two times, because I remember say them keep sitting up and have a primary for Kirkwall.
Yeah.
Nobody named it.
When he come in, I told me not see one PMP screenshot and put up Sunday gone even look on a little bit of people who want internal crowd, all Mark Golding crowd bigger than we have over there. I say I labor them pack up out of Mark Golding.
Mama somebody, we Mark Golding have nobody out there. See, Mama somebody, you know, see more than
Let's see how Mark Golding import 8,000 people to come down here. Come turn up with him.
Big man, anyway, Andrew Holness going on in the traffic crowd, you know.
Man. We know how I go when time Wilmington and do something by black. Have to.
Come on, Lati, go on, Mama. Go on. Hold on it. Tanisha. Go on, Lati.
Yeah, me I said big up the Henrys them from Bully Tree. Rest in peace, Mrs. Henry. Saturday was our funeral. But I know you must know them stay there.
Yes, look one.
Big up the Henrys them from Bully Tree.
No, I'm a family then that. You know what my name? Show me not put up the last year. Here, not watch out. That's a fact. Let me test it. Let me test it, Lati.
We have to go inbox each other then for find out the family part there.
Hold on, Lati, we have to tell us it. You know, a whole heap of boy come for the media and bad me up and me laugh off of them. Yo, me hear man, you see me, all I dog them, Dean them and my cousin them, man, and all I dog them, you see it?
Alright, then let's say a word.
Yeah, man, you know bigger down, and Bangi.
Yeah, man.
Show striker Sky where you want name.
Showski, mama, Showski. Yeah.
Okay, then Showski.
Me I say you know bigger times than Bangi.
Then the most one.
Alright.
Hold on, Sonny done.
A Belgium, I think that you know, you must know a Belgium there. A Kingston 14.
Let's say a word. I'm a place too.
Showski.
It have to be a place.
Yeah.
Remember say
That's a code. That is the code.
That's a code, Lati. That's a code, Lati, yeah.
I'm putting missing.
14 and my mother 12. So you know say I write this on my office stay. I couldn't go nowhere else.
True.
Remember we bleed all green. Yeah.
True.
Which is right.
All right, Lati, hold it down. That is code. That is the code.
Code. Straight code.
Straight code, right.
You see before I come in at the box, I hear you talk, I say my laugh thing my weak. I say hear my grandmother, man. I see him so lost to that sound, you know. Look here, you see my mother, this lady are not playing now. So in time my mother hear about the orange people, then may I tell you, my mother cuss anything, man. She go on real bad. My great grandmother, she died at 104 years old, and may I tell you, the woman they cry I water as old as she be. We have to take her and hold her and carry her, go put her ex beside her bell because she's serious.
Lassie, stick a pin. If you come on my house up to the living, ball to me house. My mother 6 away. And I fight the America. Every term, them come down, come vote.
Of course.
Mrs. Hey, my sister said, third term again. My sister can't tell the cash. She worked at EOJ before me, and I said that. There are a lot of things.
Showski know. Him know. See right here, so me can tell you. We get the less recognition from the Jamaica Labour Party when them ready.
That's true.
I tell you something.
But we not switch because we know the right.
Hold on, Lati, that's the problem, Lati. Hold on, Lati. Remember the war back in the 90s?
Yeah.
Remember the war in the 90s?
Yep.
We know we know that name and that's a change of political thing.
Yeah.
But this was always a labor right.
Always. All right.
Always a labor right.
They have a real big woman friend. You understand? And the other day, me a trouble her because she said she a PMP. All right. Which part she there? Everybody knows that them a vote for PMP. At a cross over the gully side. So you know me, I said to her, I say, Man, boy, your business boy, your PMP, you know, go ahead, you know me I'm out her. She said, listen to me now, man. PMP which part? She said, I can't go down to Kingston 14 and go call her PMP because everybody knows say nothing no go so. So I say, I know say nothing no go so. I know nothing no go so, so I just want to know why you think so. The other day we have one meeting and I write a fair place with her. Write a fair place. She said, I'm no business about no mark going in business about nobody. Nobody at all me no business about. Because at the end of the day, my goal is not look about him constituency. Him not look about nowhere at all. Not even upper which part him stronghold there. Because him cannot look Paris, I know. But when him stronghold there for jungle after him not look. He not do nothing for them. He might do something for them up there.
Anyway, labor rights. I go clock out and make somebody else log in because get myself organized to go up on the work. So yo, more on the big up on yourself and you don't know say yo, this I want a landslide.
Yeah,
My first history I leave for America come vote, brother.
Respect for that, brother, man. And this is for the future.
Yeah, man, for real, man. Alright,
then we have to big it up.
Here on the mouth.
Yeah, the people in all who there in chat wanna follow me, brother, man. We get one another up our
Yeah. Sorry, them don't know I see I got Bill Reminder, man.
Of course.
But me I tell you, honestly, me sit down and listen, because you know some ever have them place there as PNP. We have a whole lot of this as PNP stronghold in there.
Yeah, hold on, sorry. So you could turn off a punish town road and go up really and truly. In one sense, you know, I just treated them people like get treated bad, you know, because sure, you know, when a PNP time come with PNP with election, I'm gonna say them a labor right, you know. And if PNP with election, you know, PNP own them people as PNP. So I saw you fuck going.
Yeah.
If you understand what I say.
Sonny, the place have PMP, but may I tell you, a labor right stronghold from ever since our place. But a show skin overtake place. I just switch up enough people and enough things. And even who was them switch, them finally I come out back now. Them 5 people them say we can't stay right there, so we have to go back to our roots.
Hold on, I found a place. Oh, I something there. I mad golden at the MP around there.
Mad golden, yeah.
Oh, because I know so the next one, him name Peter Phillips. Peter Phillips left him seat and left it vacant. I wish one of them, I him.
Yeah, but
yeah, Peter Phillips, yeah.
You know, so that you can win, though. No, so that you can win that seat, brother.
They can
win that seat, brother.
They can do so after win. I'm going to work for Dave and Box after win. I said Dave and Box after win. You know,
can win.
Dave and Box after win. I'm going to work for Dave and Box. I won't find out say Rima then transfer them for to God no. We dig up that I will say we send it back. Because they have to give them what they have to win. Because they go through yesterday and find out that them transfer the vote them. Me working at Jamaica, we can tell everybody at talk about the Evan Gospel. It's an intelligent, you putting things in play. Mr. Chisholm Avenue was PMP. Everybody switched to Labour right. Everybody are run behind him. Because we have never seen MP Dennis Gardner yet. We have never seen him.
Purpose, the top of Chisholm the Labour right, man.
What we just say, half the Labour
Purpose.
Oh God, man. Green.
Purpose.
Yo.
Purpose, you know, you have to say one woman, his son a PMP, his son really a PMP. And him say when her son did in trouble. And he took him out of prison.
I take him out, the youth say about.
And he said when he go there, the woman can go every yard and say, and this is one of the vote from.
Let me just say, I me work for Vassal, I'm there behind Vassal, I me do paperwork for Vassal. I mean, after that man can give a speech. That man, the way the man talk to you, man, if you call him, take you. The man can tell you where I come from to where he is now. So all people not there for people, we are ripped to get to youths and are ripped to get to people. Yes, so the people have no sense. I never hear Mark Golden come with a speech. Said this is what I'm going to do to the community. All if he no win or if he win. David was telling us all if he no win, he will still represent the ghetto communities. He will still stand. And all it will be a labor. He never called him, he no win. He never say nah do nothing. He still gonna put in the work. So I will not vote for a man like that. Win or lose, him still gonna do it for the ghetto people.
That's the issue, no purpose. It's one time them don't win in the constituency, knowing to look here. This is a PMP stronghold, then as on say. But we have labor rights in here, so we're willing and so we are working with them for a party. When them done with them, just give it up and then so it go there so no people get this.
Alright, that is I'm married.
Well, Mama,
Listen,
well,
I'm
I
married.
the Labour Party strategy do that, you know.
Listen to Mary.
And the Labour Party strategy do that.
Alright, listen, Mary make them bully her out of the seat. Look, you know, Mary make them bully her out of the seat. Because I work for me at 18 in the EOJ with politics. Because when you're in the EOJ, you can't really say you're party affiliated. You can't do that. So what I did, I stepped down, right, and said, listen, I'm going to work with the Labour Party. So even though I work with the Labour Party, I still know few little things in the EOJ office. So when we go in there, from when Mary could have won, but what happened in Mary did not campaign. Because she feel like, oh, this is strong oath, so she can't win. I must have to Mary, not because it's strong. There are people that coming out in orange, but their heart are green same way. You have to put in your work, do what you know you supposed to do. But here, she has never done that. This man, David Boss, what he has been doing is extraordinary. I've never seen a young MP has done what him do. And I can't even tell you the secret that he has done. But he put out the work out there to get it together. So come we could have found out a Rima them they transfer the vote to Garden. That's why Garden did win. And then thief a lot of ballots and a lot of votes. So God, when Dave and Buster then find out all of those and decide that okay, it's going to transfer them back and it needs to be fair. In election, if Andrew never have his people, and Andrew would win because guess what? There are a lot of teething going on. And what they need for coming is a thumb thing. Once you vote, you just can't vote again. But what the PMP do is, oh, if you don't have no ID, you can't swear. You can't swear, and it not must be you on the paper because we can't exactly feel my brother. They now come with certain things. So what they might do, know that election, they not come with the thumb thing and the face recognition. So you can't say, yeah, swear. And we're not sure if I really you for true because there's a lot of things going on in EOJ, but Jamaica people don't know. A lot of thiefness are going on. Because them pay a big money to all the people in the EOJ and say, listen, one, that's it, yeah. And because Maxine is straight PMP, them say, oh, buy out that, which has no people are there are labor rights and people are there have sense. But because it is stronghold and them already put the money $1 million a year, so such and such who are the head leader for the community, them people have to go out and vote for them, can't lose. So people have to know, say, listen, it's funeral, not dada, can't tell no who to vote for. Because when the money done, it done this so. We have voted for better Jamaica. A better Jamaica, better for the kids, them future. We Jamaica done some lack of education, lack a lot of things because we have to, oh, PMP, they are saying so. We're not going to fight. No, David and Basso walk every community.
Purpose.
Yeah?
Beverly Prince. Where she is now?
She's behind David and Basso.
Okay, darling.
She's behind David and Basso. She's the one that give him the heads up. Because I'm not she the win fair consequences, but because they know them are going to buy vote and give women the it. She's behind David because the meet what we win. There are a lot of things that was spoken that we who said Jamaica did not know it was going on. And this man, let me know, so listen, he's not for the labor only, it's for everybody. So everybody just needs for us to know the right and do the right.
Well, Davian Vassal, I'm sure say my win.
I have to win, I tell us the people, all people.
You see how him say what him have is for everybody, is not for just the labor rights. In my book, what for me are for labor rights. Now give no PMP, none.
The man who go up against a councillor, don't?
Yeah.
The thief in me, the thief in one downtown.
No, Dennis Garden go through. One man run a big construction company.
When go through Jack then, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So no, me again.
No. One in my run against Dennis Garden. But we have never seen Dennis Garden yet, and that man walk community. David Vassal just come out. And some bad community man just walk out. Man just walk out, make him know, say, listen, it's for the people. It doesn't everybody feel relaxed. He no walk with no police, he no walk with nobody, just walk, just him and him team. He no walk with nobody, just make everybody feel comfortable, sit in and talk with people. And then I just know, a long time they must have been doing this. I mean, the people who know so this young man at work, give him a chance to sue him made up. He cannot do it in one term, give him at least a 3 terms to sue him made up. If we not, do not, then we'll vote him up. But for now, give him a chance.
True.
Give him a chance.
We'll give Peter Phillips more chance up there and come out. And he left not do nothing for
so
him.
why we sit down and watch we avenue our community I go down the drain? We want to see upliftment, we want to hear the farm worker, I be a country farm worker run. We want to hear get the community so some boy get boss. Some people really don't want to turn bad people because of the ghetto and the living them I do. They have to do that. So we get people who have knowledge and understanding of ghetto youths. Where them are come from. Because we can't my God never ban now ghetto saying don't know what a ghetto feel like. Saying cannot tell you how we are live and how we're supposed to live. He can't tell you that. But they them must grow up from a ghetto, come in and say no what it feels like to be a ghetto life. And him get out of it. So him can lead. Mark Golden can't lead because Mark Golden don't know the dirt. He don't know dirt. Give somebody who know the dirt and know how to climb the ladder. Instead of we are give somebody who are already up on the ladder already. There's somebody up on the ladder cannot lead us. Because they don't know down the ground feel. They don't know the earth feel. Give somebody who grow from the ground come straight up. You get me?
Yeah, Mama, we agree with that, man.
Come here to them, so listen, Dave and Basso, not even, never, at first, I'm going to run. Okay, make us swear.
Are you there a big future in the politics, man?
Oh, God, man. There are so many getting help out of trouble.
Yeah, man.
And lay a good statement.
On TikTok, man, they man give you advice free, man.
Oh, God, man. One more than that. Oh, Jamaica for fools, man. Get up on the foot and see the right to Andrew Church. What do you understand? PMP is for the poor, so we always are poor. But the Labour Party is for the rich, so we always want to be rich. So we're going to fight to be rich. But when you say poor, we're always want to be poor.
Yeah, because remember them saying, remember them always are saying, you see Labour right? Labour right, you have to work free. Then PMP just hand it out free. You have to work for where you want, of course. Anything will come too easy, can't good.
Yeah, good. So look for the communities, them man.
Labour right teeth of a fish. Them not throwing a fish kill.
Exactly.
That every day you
Oh,
get up
God,
and come
man.
to
So you know when you drop a ground, you know for rise back again.
Well,
Right
finally,
back
the
yourself.
Truth Valley Garden right now, you can't find 1 or 2 youth on corner. Everybody at work.
Everybody.
No, but
Everybody
brother,
at work.
a long time that I go on, brother.
My corner voted the
Remember
most
boss?
ambitious. No youth that can't find put round in at all. And back then, you can find 30 youth on the corner easily.
You hear me? I tell you, man, run our country.
Yeah, man, but-
I will meet every morning to
But
them on the road. Every morning gets money to my beg 120. I say, no, from Liberal Winnie, I've never seen that.
One.
Every minute you see them from the corner, usually back in the days, I beg 100 and I beg to buy this. I sell for no. I have not seen that in my community. My community one of the peacefulest communities right now.
True, man.
I'm going to say less young people are getting pregnant. I say less young people want one, but all the bad youth, them I tell you, say, they don't want bad no more. One more than that, we can see that people are changing and mentality getting wiser and better. What more we want to see?
So the good people, man, in Jamaica, they don't want to see them, you know.
Maxi was one of the worst coming down. Look on Maxi. You all hear words are going on Maxi. You all hear them things there. I want them to hear play, but back then I could hear every second.
I say, purpose, I want to dig up back the people that were left from down here and come up, they come, wait them there, come numerate. I want to dig them up back and fling them back where them come from, because enough of them didn't have ID, much less.
Well, no matter what them trying, them can't stand a chance. No swing in Jamaica for this government.
You know, see, I see them where them doing that in over Mountain View, over Fairval Williams. Are the same thing them doing now?
Yeah, them do them thing there. But you know, really and truly, you know, just we have to pay attention, you know. Because we all have a representative when it goes to, you know. So we have to pay attention, because you know, people are going to try things, you know, mama. It's just human nature.
PMP ever got PMP and the only party ever tried those things.
PMP, yeah, me purpose them give them 10 dollars, so them give them 10,000, who get 15,000 for switch them vote. No joke, you know. No joke. No joke. Serious something me I talk about. You get 10,000, get 15,000. You can give me 10,000, 15,000 for switch my vote.
That's
you
me
can give
to
me 10,000, 15,000 for vote for PMP. After me no mad. After me I no mad man.
You see a man who buy vote, who sell him vote. Whenever anything happens in a politics, he can't say nothing at all because
can't get nothing.
Can't go
Don't tell him say buy him vote. That me see one little nigga try with the people, you know. And when them call him, me tell us, remember say buy on a vote, you know, so you can't call me.
The people give 115 and 120 grand.
Same not if you do no work, Sonny. Cause don't buy him vote already.
That's the one say buy him vote.
Yeah, fear if you understand.
I just send you a friend request.
Okay, babes. Go check it.
Yeah. Man, but I tell them I have to dig up all of the woman them car. I don't say I almost 2 years with them and I force me see so much woman come out car. Alright, I tell them something when we did there, our woman them used to feel afraid. Cause I 1 and 2 of them it used to be goody. And Munchi alone. And Kizzy and Lexi. We already have a couple of more women and Miss G as a warrior. But you see from one day, from the school bus, Jesus Christ, every woman rise up and my dad son rise up. Defending the country and defending the people and future cause. Yo, we know where we come from as anybody in them 30, say 35, 34. Worse for me in your 40s, early 40s, 39. And you make PMP trick you. That means you should have go back up in your mother and no bar. Because PMP can't trick none of we, because the whole of we grow up under PMP government and we know it feel. We was there. So, who PMP them a try trick? I can't win, you know? Anybody in them 30s, as me say, and 40s and go up in them 50s. The rest of the people we in them 60s. Them should have never said PMP because them face it more week. And when for them I say them gonna shop to buy 1 pound of flour, them not to buy 1 pot under PMP government.
Yeah. Tony,
PMP government.
When you hear Darrell Vaz talk about JPS, you know, one of the best things, you know, man, that you see all that with Darrell Vaz do there with JPS and what him say. Yo, it's a master stroke, you know, bro. Because if you remember when PNP sell JPS, you know, one company buy it, you know, and in 5 years, you know, a company go bankrupt, you know. The company buy it when them bankrupt, you know.
I get rich
over 5 years when them sell it, you know, them profitably, you know.
Yeah, man, I know, man. I supposed to have them name. Miran did buy it for. I forgot
Miran,
yeah. Yeah. And them the company that bankrupt in a film in a film country.
Yeah. In America,
in a couple years, them rich.
Yeah, man, them rich, man. Cause them put up electricity and just beat us bad, man.
But now these people call themselves PMP. Every time you keep on one question, we feel like say the whole of them mentally ill. Them say these man where them say where the whole of them are fight. They put in can't go in a garden house, so I go to garden town. Cause swampy. They say swampy not ready for this yet, brother.
You said the man big and lazy.
Swampy not ready for no leadership.
They never God knows.
You know, I got into them, I'll go, put them again.
When I grew up, you know, them usually say politics about ideas, you know. And no, we can't hear PNP come with no real ideas, you know. So for sure, see the boy, them not doing no work, you know.
I watch it. Watch your PNP strategy.
You know, at least I don't want to switch back. You said Lisa and I want to come back to you to labor rights.
Christopher.
What I'm saying.
Question. Can Mark Golden speak standard English?
No.
No.
Cannot.
Sonny D. What you say? Trotsky.
Mark Golden and one like a spoiled white boy, woman. You know, see that man? And then a boy will grow with no proper direction as being values and attitude and how to deal with people and them things. I wish man hear that on stage. You ever hear no man in the history of Jamaica about I man, this and that on stage?
That's all.
A junkie man, junkie. Me junk, brother.
We can't send that money to the world, brother. I'm going to disgrace Jamaica. We can't give a good speech.
Nothing.
Yeah, give a good speech.
Nothing.
Can you have a drink and smoke?
I can't tell you nothing. He can't tell you. I will never ask him. So what do you think about him? Don't know one thing what he say. He don't know one thing what he structure and so time. The man just shut up. You can see living drunk me span the man.
Yeah, Sonny, may I show you something, you know? Because you were out of Freetown, you know. Sonny, why you feel say the Prime Minister put in the ananas for the toll road? So you know how long that needed, Sonny?
Yeah, man, I know.
Out of Fortescue, so the road where you just showed over there. You know how long that needed? Sonny, you know how much growth that stopped, Sonny? You know how much growth? That stopped at least 1% GDP since it built. Because you have to drive all the way around. So you can't, you can't wait to do certain things. You get me?
True, yeah.
Them they will call vision, brother, vision.
Now, show you something, Showski. You see, as they turn off and they go off and they go on outlet them build. You know, so I provided a piece of land right side of the and they must start them development soon.
Bomba. They might expand the factory now.
Yeah, that for sure, because you see, true, them never have that you have to drive, go weird, all have to come back down. If you want to come off of the highway, you have to pass your yard and go and come back around. You see me? So now you have it right. All right, if you want to go Mapen, you take the highway right in front. If you want to come off right in front Fortescue. So you switch back the come off, which are the exit route there, the piece of land that I provide and I will start construction soon. So you must know good that the brother.
But me just show you the vision doing the Sonny, man. If you just look on the vision, when you think all the man support more bypass, needed. Vision, brother. Because if you drive in Jamaica, you have one next road where me and the Prime Minister talk about. I submit me rate the man to the ground and walk on. Because the road we got like a Gamobi up on the North Coast Highway between Discovery Bay and Hochi. I want big old bottleneck upon the road. And the man see them thing, I know them thing that I know say for us to grow and move forward. That office started. That them thing that will grow the economy, you know, brother.
The Prime Minister just a work here, man.
He's working.
All who no believes that Jamaica is going to be a better place. We are a better place already, but we're going to be greater. It doesn't make no sense.
You know, I'm telling you, say, stop listening to the propaganda PMP them. I gotta tell you, I'm a man, me overseas and me watch all of the international news. And I tell you, all of the world have a hype on Jamaica and admire Jamaica for the chance.
Look at the tourism. Don't you see the tourism going on great? Don't you all see that?
Yeah.
Look
the Caribbean them. The whole of the Caribbean island, them a look on Jamaican.
Yeah.
And look on the hard
we can talk.
The chance, the crime, the everything, them a look on and I admire, brother.
We can talk about some of the things where government do for tourism too, you know, man.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Right now, every hotel will build, you know, hotel have to build in lodges for the workers, them to stay.
Yes, sir, we young people, but we are Bilal Villa. Yeah. Come on, man. Yes, the man give vision.
The princess bill right there and then build 500 room alone for your work.
Peace and peace, a villa. You know, so that sell out. You must tell about tourism. So, Andrew no fear do. We have all 21 year old our own villa.
Man put them on pension. So you have in pension for people who work in the tourism sector.
Yep.
And because of the energy thing, them have availability to houses too. So it's
all right. Look on energy. I tell you, say right now they are budgeting for young people can buy them own house at a certain age. One more than that we want to see. Which partner history PMP ever do that? Andrew alone come do that. Come back to know that all 21 can come buy house. In a PMP time, be a slam bus we have to go through. I will not get so much for energy loan. Look on them things. More than that we want to see. Jamaican in a sense.
Purpose.
Overvote out this man.
Purpose.
Overvote out this man. We can't vote him man. We want better. Can say prosperity. Speak over our life. Speak over our life. We want to yes. We can do it.
Since Andrew come in, Andrew make the play feel lovely now.
Jesus, please, man.
Nobody can show up on nobody again. You want to with the friend of them to come and show up.
Oh God, man.
Then
Yes,
can't do that again, man.
yes, so hype too.
Then,
All them
look
people
at,
should be input. They want
look
some
at.
black skin.
I
Not green
want to,
clothes.
listen to me. I want to can't tell them a friend now. They can't come and show up on nobody because we are live better than them.
Better than them.
They must live from paycheck to paycheck. They can't talk to them, man.
Because they don't understand.
Look at when they come up.
Some of them don't understand. Because Andrew do so much.
One of my friends come out there now, I'm by one of them could gym the jeep like show up, man. And what I know when they see the vehicle, when the young boy they drive, he must come back down come sell it. So I say, what make you sell it? He say, boy, he said the Benz and the BMW then come account and ladder just come to Jamaica. Jamaica rich man.
They're right. Morning.
Nobody.
Rattler rich.
Nobody.
We're rattler rich.
Listen to me.
I hear them more than pretty and nice. You just need to just know drive vigilant and just know.
And careful.
But I tell you something, Christopher. You know, so the other day, me and my cousin from Canada, we got Mandeville. Hold on, let me say something, man. You know, so the other day, me and my cousin from Canada, we got Mandeville. So when the man see the size house them, the man say, oh, they say Jamaica people poor, I want the biggest house them. The man say, yo, the man say, for your old one of those house in Canada, damn, you gotta be fucking wealthy. That the man tell me, you know, say for one of the house them where people want a Jamaica and Canada, you have to be wealthy. You have to be a rich Canadian for all one of the house them when see people they own them man live. I tell the man say, yo, say you know say I just man live this brother. So boy, if you go uptown or go certain place or go muddy or
no man, stop uptown. I look at the ghetto people in go on good. Remember one time, ghetto never could have AC, and now we have AC. We never have a
Mandeville house them pretty.
Let me tell you, the man say you have a wealthy in Canada for one of them house where they are Mandeville. Wealthy.
Mandeville house them pretty and
but Latte, we are not going to Mandeville. We're going too far. And talk about the things. So going to some ghetto community to some real house. There's some people that some nice house for the ghetto. We're not going to reach Mandeville.
Let me tell you something, people.
That's why I'm saying, me no weird panda body forgive me. As a
man, suppose I see my house on my bill. What a hard working.
Yeah, Bryce, let me tell you something, man. If foreign of them jealous away right now.
Because I want to live comfortable and nice.
Latte, you come to my house, then think of Airbnb me live in now. Then think of Airbnb me live in now. I remember I get to my cover right now, Chitam Avenue I come from. Let me tell you about my house I'm living at Chitam Avenue. I mean, I just 35, I'm living for me at 90, then they want to upgrade. No, God, man. Cut above the rest. So all them for say, Andrew let me could I do this? Andrew never give me the hand over. Andrew show me the way. Say, listen, I have to work hard and put in the work. I know where you work and where you save. But that Andrew teach me.
And guess what? Andrew only teach you not for beg. Enough for weird pan nobody for you.
Jesus Christ. I want to be a call foreign and beg $50. I'm not for call a boy and get a foreign.
Weird pan nobody for come and out something.
And we are good clothes. Good clothes come to the country. We not for go from buy good clothes again and look good. We are look good, girl. I look good boy. So if I look on the people I got school, I get up, I want to uptown people I go to their school now, and get up people I got their school.
Yeah,
good school. So what am I talking about?
I can say something there. I can say one thing there. Sonny, you see, so we work now going vain, Sonny. We love you. We love you, them lady come out and talk, Sonny. Somebody have been asking nothing. We have just listen to them lady have to speak.
And look, one time class, how much $1,000? Latte? How can to get a class here? $16,000, $19,000. Oh, they never say Andrea work. Andrea work. Andrea can know say listen, and where you're working and where you save. Every little bit of muscle. Andrea can know say listen. We not for name chicken, but we name chicken now. We not PMP to be a chicken back we are name.
Well,
chicken back, a sardine and mackerel.
For me, you know, like me not taste piece of chicken back.
Hey, Latte man, I actually me not eat no man.
Sonny.
No, I show up.
Sonny.
I want here, man. Andrew can also AC in our house. One time a fun we are use. Andrew can also AC in a ghetto house too. We can also house can look at uptown house. One time be uptown house, everybody are crazy for. Nobody want come at the ghetto now. Nobody want to go to the ghetto, nobody want to rest them in the ghetto. I'm not all ghetto bad.
Big fan wall.
Oh, Jesus Christ, man, TV big fan wall. I'm just going to them things. I'm them program what it? I'm just going to say, here, we not for go sing and quotes, but buy not no. We can't go to the Syrian store and get the same thing in a quotes. And pay a liquid and not no, so we don't pay a big up a problem.
Big up yourself, man. All right, purpose. Hey, you know something, Chris? You see me tell you, Showski, it's a real Jamaican woman, brother. You hear a woman him come, you know amount of people don't understand and know that say. It's the Andrew Holness come make. Flat screen, big back TV, gone in every garbage in Jamaica. Because Andrew Holness, since Andrew Holness is Syrian, then come here, brother.
Jesus Christ. I can buy. Look, Andrew come in again, Sonny. Andrew, they could not say, one kickers, remember kickers are foreign, you know, expensive. Andrew, could not say, we can go second and so. We can go down to the copy, and the copy still look at the real.
I must man, can remember me, I tell you something. I remember saying a PMP time, I be a table, people sleep on. Any girl asleep on table nowadays, what? This every girl have a big hole at bed.
Andrew, we know, say, listen, we know stay at 5 and 4 and 6 feet. Back in the days, thing that. And struggles we have put the pit name in. Andrew, we know, say, if you have one, you work with one or two. Andrew, say, the man never step up and help the youth.
So you thought a woman them know though?
Yeah, we want to, but we have to show you.
Yes, we have to import some people.
Again.
Many, but I have 3.
Yes, and you can manage them. Andrew, you can manage that.
Right now, our grandkids, me want to look after. I want to take care of them.
Well, Andrew can put food
my baby's days over.
Lati, remember one time Lati we have
one more son more. I don't want no more picnic. If God let me forget to next one. No, me have to do more picnic.
Oh God, that's why we are living in a happy town. We are living. No only for picnic. I'm gonna back in days. My grandmother, my great grandmother days. They are 13 and 14 picnic. Our days now are prosperity and better we say. We tell them pick them and go there, pick one and pick two and pick three.
I tell you something on purpose, child. That's when we are to school. I say all would listen to a teacher them. Tell you, remember, say teacher, what them teach you at school, and say 2 is better than too many.
Yeah.
Enough people don't lodge that in them brain. The teacher them teach you at school, say 2 kids is better than too many. Say 2, if you always try to have where you can budget.
Provide for.
Yeah, where you can provide for. So if you have more than where you can provide for, where it makes sense, and then never come cost government.
Okay, that's the government. I look on it. Look for food for the poor. Oh, let me tell you this, Sonny. Not them time. Remember back in the days, there food for the poor. No. 100% that we can build our own house from ground. One time, we live on a lease land. Andrew make that stop. We not live on a lease land. We get a land, our land, actually. It don't matter where it come from, our land, and not to take off. One time, TNT create people off of them land there. And so they can pay them land.
That's true, man.
Pay up the way for chances so we can own.
You know the purpose, child. You know say I be a real thing on the talk. You know say
me have been a son. I'm not fool to this.
You see in a PMP time, I know an elder. I know an elder when name Mr. Doctor. Him used to be the man who work with the PMP party who go on and down the people them after informal settlement then clear off the house.
Jesus Christ, man. Hey, I tell you, man.
That just me know him first now.
Yeah.
You know, say, Sonny Dan, my can't tell you and me. You know, say, PNP. You know, say, PNP can chicken back and turkey, they come to make a fish back.
Yeah, man, a fish back and fish head and then free with
it. And the PNP government.
You don't know that, man. You know, Andrew tell us, say, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. My try make you know, so listen. They say if they have a cabbage, multiply with other neighbors. People could sell fish.
All right, purpose.
Share. Listen to share.
Purpose.
Yeah.
You know, say Michael Manny, you know, in the 70s, Michael Manny made Jamaica be the beginning capital of the world.
Oh, my mother tell me that, man. My mother tell me that. My mother.
And to how PNP love big. One shipment of sardine they get the last time when they done this. One shipment of sardine. And the Michael Manny must have the NIR in less than 2 years. PNP no good for Jamaica.
But listen,
PNP no good.
the container was the drop. Look what I'm doing, and I'm trying to make it people say Andrew. All
right.
Look now.
Look what PNP right now.
A PN. They own them labor. Say no, we are working.
Andrew, I buy school bus, you pick them, you say, comfortable. And PNP are quite Dirty nasty Mark Golding and Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell and dirty Rasta boy.
Carter, you know see this? You know hear them saying that the PEP result, all the kids them extra or them get them first choices. Back in the days, Pitney I got Charlie Smith, when we get an average or pass Charlie Smith, Pitney I go down at that school when I make no sense. The kids them work. This is scholarship, every month of scholarship for children.
Purpose, you talk about that. Yeah, Pitney left school and can't read.
Jesus, because look at Andrew do now, man. Andrew can know, so listen, if you don't pass grade 4, you can't go further. You have to work, figure there. So one more than want to see. Andrew can know, so listen, you go to school to learn. If you even go to school, get even 160 and graduate. We feel proud of it, but when you go to school and you don't go to nothing, you don't even further one third term in your life, you stop at first term and I go second term, you're mad, man. Andrew can know, so you have to finish your school with school even surface ticket. So if you don't know it, you have to go on different school. Where much time you can know?
Purpose, 10,000 teenagers have job in somewhere, you know.
Jesus Christ, man, you see that man? Oh, one of the people want to say, Andrew, look on car. They don't say car is a full Jamaica. So we can't pour. And back in the days, we are going on bus, taxi, we are fight. Now we got money them car can juggle.
And me have testimony about that. Me have testimony about this car thing on purpose.
Jesus.
I tell you, you see my community over there right now. Within the last 12 years.
This is a silent look on the scammer them. Andrew make you know, even when I cut out the scammer, Andrew and the scammer them know, so listen, when you can't scam anybody no know, you know. When you can't scam anybody no know. But it's when you not scam and banana the most to carry them, we go clamp on it down. Andrew, open enough youth eyes to scam and spend the money wisely. Because guess what, we can't stop because that long time from the 80s and then see the scamming and go on. Andrew make it more meter. Even though it's not right, but Andrew make it know everybody has to live. And everybody have trading at them and you know. Some people are trading at them brain. So more than that, we want to say Andrew uplift enough for the young people, them and them sister, yo, there's a better future out there. Even though
I'm telling you something purpose, child. Andrew Wallace smart, and you know, since when them all the academy. Yeah. Them are foreign, I still can't scammers them. When them all them are foreign, them rehabilitate them and give them work in the government system.
Okay, I'm gonna want to see Andrew Wallace.
Well, Andrew Wallace say that him and I love to do it enough for the scammers them.
Right.
Because man say them have to smart, very smart to can scam. Same right. Say love for them use some of them capability they and do something positive more than
better Jamaica. Can we can better Jamaica and look at scamming thing of course we can better Jamaica. Because everywhere thief is, if a scam through computer thief is, everywhere in the world is after this as something, somebody have to thief something. But Andrew make you know say you have to smarter in it. The man them can't go say them are 21 and I buy a big jelly. No, Andrew make you know say you get a farm or get some egg and goat and go on the little thing. Then they take time grow from it. Stop by this big house and big car. No, take a look at time and do the thing.
So man, build a business man and make a business go up man and then can for
let me tell you,
the clinic now will have a start.
Yeah man, long time it depend on my profile man.
Hey, Sonny Dan. Sonny Dan.
Yes,
sir. And you see the meeting with the PNP then keep an artist Manchester last week.
Nobody. Nobody there.
Well, no man, a man they will meet with the keep you know. A parish meeting, you know, and show the little woman coming out with here and shake up. And shake up. The boy went run, carry come Christiana against traction. We are right, you said this election now. We are right, him out like a category 5 hurricane.
You can do the same thing. Yes, one time voting time comes.
That's the most important people that
man bust them in and change the address set time for their vote. Freaking asshole them.
Them not have no sense.
Yo, surely ever right. Sorry that. We just a show up on the thing and I see a man put up a video. And I say, the Damian Crawford have got to put some more ribbon in that data here.
But me say this man.
The boss not stop cut ribbon. We say how many days dead.
Brother, we say ribbon them the way PMP cut. Pitney ribbon.
We say, the man say, yo, Damian Crawford have got to find some more ribbon to put in that data here. Because ribbon not stop cut.
You me say? look on woman,
I'm say,
a man cut off her hand. But how much years ago in a PMP time and she beg, you know me, how long for your house and Andrew come give her and with her 4 kids them. Must say, look at that.
Yeah.
One more than that we need.
Yo. Me say, you see everything when the Prime Minister do right now, him now have to do it. But me I tell you, say the man does have a genuine heart and a genuine love for people. Because all the complex and the man are gonna build up for 7 people. Don't go Rose in don't Central Kingston. Eh? 7 people get born out of their
Darren Mitchell, look on this, look over Frack City. How long the PMP them lick down the place they build up and all the people them can and a JLP come now so them all give them quad and them thing if you live in a who have to say.
Yo, miss why? PMP they rough ya mama, rough.
No, Darren, him tell them
rough.
Alright, the school average was much and the man said turn to them and say, alright, some people that go manly and them school, the man make them know the list. So if the kids them work for it, they have to stay back in a school and get a next chance so them get it right.
No, but end idea if you try to feel, you know.
That many chances.
If you try to feel, you know, is between you and the school, you know. Now nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with the Prime Minister, you know.
Because the Prime Minister that they have 3 chances. They can always try again and try again. Tell you that. In a PMP, some one go.
Purpose try. Let's see, as I say, I tell you. The whole of so Andrew Holness are great. Andrew Holness, remember, say Andrew Holness are the first ministry that in taking education.
Jesus.
We are go high school, and it was grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. And if you can't pass common entrance, your family them not put in one all age, you have to go learn trade or you go chop cane.
Right.
Andrew Holness come and change that. Andrew Holness say if you can't pass the grade 4 literacy test, you can't go grade 5.
None at all. Can you not waste the teacher time?
So let me assure you. So Andrew Holness come change it. Remember, Andrew Holness come make them good pass marks here come out of
and look, make 6 farm can be. Looking at no 6 farm where they real about in Andrew make 6 farm every school. You have Norman Manley have 6 farm. Look over Norman Manley or Norman Manley are going good. I'm a TMP area.
Purpose.
Yeah, make it automatically. Make 6 farm automatically teach in high school.
Was the traditional high school. 6 farm was there, but mostly traditional.
Yes. Yeah, it never there in all like in zone. Like
it never there in Norman Manley.
When we are left in zone, 6 farm out there too. I go left in school top. And since we left 6 farm out there.
We normally have secondaries, not high, but secondaries.
Yeah, but Norman Manley wasn't a 6 farm. Can we go Norman Man and a 68 team again? And I think Andrew come in, Andrew make it knowing the 6 farm and it's supposed to be 1 school. It's supposed
to be 6 farm never there Manley for real. Cause my
play ball for Manley. Was champion there for Manley. I can tell you wasn't. I don't know about Norman Manley right now. They're average.
Because Norman Manley was a secondary school also. From
Norman was back in long time, but that changed over what years.
From them change it in a 96 and bring it to comprehensive high school, and then high school them start having 6 farms. And that
one. You know, so Olaba was
yes, but Norman Manley
was Olaba secondary, and then changed it to Olaba.
And I think we left Norman have 6 farm. When me have got Norman never have 6 farm, I think Andrew stepped to make Norman be 6 farm. He never have me at 35 years, I left Norman and there wasn't a 6 farm. We could never do a per farm, but I think Andrew coming in.
I really think short term and every high school used to have 6 farm. Because I used to have a L-Tab. L-Tab, right now them have 6 farm where them never used to have. People,
as Lati said,
people used to left for L-Tab go, a G got 6 farm or Ozemarty or the school there.
And it makes them know
they want 6 farm.
And they can know the 2 shifts to stop because the kids them now got a good amount of learning. It makes them know normal is 1 shift now. Now when you go to school was 2 shifts. You go to school 8:50, you come off 11:15 or 12 o'clock. Now we make you be knowing for 2:30 school supposed to over.
Yeah, you saw a blue shift for what?
And green shift. Yeah, 2 shift. And make you going a 1 shift now.
Mama, I know anything, you know, man. You hear me tell you something, I know it, man. I know it.
I tell you, I'm going now, man. I'm a champion girl for man. Anybody can tell you. When I got no man Mali, me I tell you this, me lock on up.
Sonny, what happened? Come on,
follow gang. Me I follow gang them time and I make when Bruce go to make a note to listen, either. It's either you choose the right or the wrong. I can't
Just give me some big man in cup ball, man. So all of them
I look for my face, man.
Who you play man in cup for Sonny?
Intud, man.
Okay.
Look for my face, man. Big
My
man.
man in cup champion, is he in Sonny?
Yeah, man, I saw me play against all of them school, man. You go class.
Bad man. Me a man with fast girl at school and me a go to school.
Play against them.
Sonny.
Me a top girl. Football, me a top girl. Everything me top in now when me a go manly. And when me a go manly. And when me a go manly and Bruce win. Bomba, man. It was the last year of my school. And Bruce win. I suck up everything turn. You know
who we used to not like when we come and manly Mango Stone boy them.
Oh God, man. Jesus, please, man. And the man go turn water down the in a labor because that's what PMP and them.
That's true.
Hey.
You see, she tell me something Showski when me never know say Mango Stone turn in a labor right. Because I know Mango Stone is a PMP place and we hate. That's a little boy.
Yeah, me just a while ago, be a Mango Stone down there so. I know the man make no say listen. Be all things to the man build up down there. The man lit down one empty place and build up the scheme house and the people. Oh, that be man.
Oh, sir, I
don't know about the housing scheme, the Sunny D.
I'm just asking myself around this the place and I see Andrew Holness been around a Mango Stone.
Yeah, and the man upgrade it. The most of people get all free things. All people. Right, yeah. All people down there for something like a month and them get a slide pen. Like I must say 40 grand a month and them get.
I'm gonna tell you something. When I say Showski, you know what I'm gonna get for finding out? That's why I don't know what Jamaica. It's terribly, you know, because look at me as a youth. I can't talk to almost everybody in Jamaica we come from them constituency and tell them about place tonight. Because guess what? We go everywhere, brother. You can't do in your country and know no way.
True that.
And that's why some of them eat that they say nothing now go because them not going nowhere. You hear me tell them?
A worldwide thing, you know, Sonny.
They're done. They are done. They don't know nothing that's going on. They are done. If you check the world, Jamaica, look on it. Ghetto usually be ghetto. It means ghetto. No people want to live in the ghetto.
Ghetto, man.
You hear me say better, man. Look at the have 1 and 2 corner shop. No, they have 10 for the corner, for the corner shop and them still a sell.
That's what you talk, man. A lot of my place, man, right now. All right. 2 car wash me there. And I can tell us that every day, the man they wash over 15 car, each of them.
Right, man.
You see,
right, one time, Sonny.
And more.
Sonny, one time we usually live bad. Remember, they usually wash me say, oh, the one that is no, everybody, the man, they can know say to live as unity.
Okay.
If you have me and sell the same thing, we can sell. One time, I be a woman, so one time, you know see the body.
Sorry, Dad.
Yeah, brother.
One time, you know, people, when them used to achieve certain things in a life, you know, when them in them near 50s, you know, them achieve house and car and this, you know. No youth are 18 and 20 year old, you know, achieve everything when they achieve in their life. At them the age, you know. Nowadays, you know.
When I grew up, I was sure some people you know own everything in your community.
The rich.
The rich people. You see that in my community, me name now where for park, me name now know where for park a bus more while. To a road full of car.
Warren, shut up the man, remember one time, you know, we usually say, boy, family I come from far, everybody are still gonna wait. No, the man make a wait that every you could get to youth can go foreign now.
I made my clothes, my shoes, them for my cousin and then come up.
Jesus Christ, man. This is not foreign, that we are foreign in Jamaica.
Right,
we are foreign.
My camera showing us sitting. I'm showing us some shoes. I pack up one set of shoes in my room. I me up my closet and show them. I know I'm going to hide them to my family. Them. And then come from foreign and be a cost. They not even bring my marina come give me. Believe me. I mean, I foreign come every year. I am more than them. Oh, I'm wash. I'm glad some cousin did there from Canada gone from one. Every day I wash. Man ask me why me get so much clothes up. And they never bring a shirt come give me. Come no one and friend them. When they bring come give me no wear.
Jesus, I put Peter them up there. Let's
go wear brother and then can't come give me picnic. Can't
come give me.
No,
I beg a man $50 for it. No, we not have to do nothing like that.
No,
Sonny, Jamaica economy a movement in the right direction.
Oh,
Everything
God,
about the
man.
country.
You see it, man. We can't go embassy go look over here. I want to know whole heap of credentials if we use to go embassy. No, we not use whole heap of things we got credentials to go embassy. We go embassy and get through. You know, so we the fire them a request to come to farm work.
You know, I see a woman a big up Pika. I big up the changes in a Pika and thing. And she said she go for renew her passport and the woman said to the way of fast. She go eat and come out. It was like zaps. She got the Pika people them to the way how it change and all that. You see even hold on a moment, you see even the tax office them, I tell her. So now, you see, every time when I used to go pay tax office, I never like to go because I never see them too long and wait too long. And
the WhatsApp group upgrade.
It changed now. So you see, as I go there, you have the security. The security I tell us, say, all right, then join the line there. Who come for the license? Go there, so. Who are renew this? Who are pay a ticket? Line different for everything in the
tax office.
Yeah, the tax office nowadays. One time, enough people now understand what we are saying on shows. Because you see, only people who use them place that can really relate to it. You know?
Which is right.
First time we used to go tax office, it was so confusing because you don't know which line to go in. You turn up on line, and when
this government, when they talk about taxes and them thing that this government and them collect the most in taxes because of how them set up the system.
Yes.
And facilitate them. You get me? And that's one of the good things for the economy. To make sure so we could get the whole of the money we due to it, and this government collect most of the money. Make sure say who pay them taxes, especially the rich people.
True that, brother. I'm Glendon. Yes. Brother, a long time I want to something. You know what me and my G.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you, bad man. Me I tell you, say like in a 2015 or 2016 and time, one time it Labour just come to power. You know my community, no bad man. I 1 or 2 weeks there. You know. You see me as a father, and right now, every youth have 1 or 2 car, me can tell. When you used to go party back,
that's true, you thought, G. You used to go in my community.
You used to go party back that time, brother. Every man want go in a 1 car and go on a bad man. And right now, you go party, I alone or 1 of your GF roll car. Every man have vehicle that.
So you know what I tell you, purpose child. Purpose child. You know, I'm big fat boy, no boy knows boy, we got fire and thief crab burger and thief underpants. When you're in triple X.
Yeah, man, of course.
Big fat boy, the ear boy, I cost nothing now go on. The ear boy say, me see him put up one video. Man saying, got Mobile. And Mobile are foreign. Yeah, rich people live in Mobile and the people in my town are rat infested. Beggy, what is poor people them.
So
who am I cuss? If him say, me have to put it in a politics term now. If we put it in a politics term now, my sister, who control Mobile? In Showski?
Sure, man, control Mobile.
Oh, and who control most at all?
Sure, man.
Sure, man.
No, PMP control most, PMP have most like garrison at all.
PMP control the municipality, yes.
Wow. Sorry, Dad, you know about money pull up, right?
Eh?
You know about money pull up, don't it?
Yeah, man, we talk about. And then coming under this government,
money pull up time coming in. I'm sitting in a selected party and make all 100,000 for one song. Now money pull up.
Triple X Corona.
And they go triple X. A whole heap of time you see make them the post at the money there. And yes, still yeah, cost the government where people there get to work and all. Cause I say chopper the involved in the money pull up there and you know. But most of the people that do round robin have business and they sitting there do money pull up. That's all the choppers.
True.
You see me?
True, cause
I got a fuck when me know cause me work on sound.
My dog has a chopper, man I swear he won him bar, but the man a throw him in a 3-4 round.
Look on this now, the man show us, look on Carter situation, the man showing us say, and I let Andrew never want to let out Carter, Andrew show us, listen. If you look at this man do so much things, but not approve, you know. And in a PMP government, that Russia Carter, we see a jail, you know. How am I looking now? Carter like him disguise it, PMP same, and I'm not realizing it was Andrew. He wouldn't get no free up certain way. Even though I'm not overseas and I work on the trial. But Andrew put in a thing undercover. Andrew don't want us to let him out. So for them say, boy, enough man last on the system now. Look for the man that send the 40 years. And Andrew take him out. And him get much $1 billion. Back off of this.
I told my PMP lock up that the man there, the old man, you know, a real thing. I say in a purpose trial. Innocently, the man got a piece of for much years, you know. Yeah, I tell you something. You see this boy, you see this ass mount man. We go over. We don't impact boss constituency and cook sitting there give the people them breadfruit that sitting. And remember, see him and Peter Bunting did say, you know, cartel response for over 100 murder and cartel. Yeah, you see me show you see all them people are big hypocrite. As the man come from jail and them run back, I man now use the man brother and them say cartel response over. Here Peter Phillips, when Peter Bunting keep conference, but when cartel get lapped up, I have one of friend them run him. I have cartel as a guest over correctional service.
Well, Sonny, one thing we can tell you, you know, cartel of here now, Babs Grange, you know.
No, that's what I say, see that. You know, so man, man make sure say, yo, you see man drop, first thing man drop ice prat, you know. Ice prat and I lie again, none at all, you know. If you notice, if you notice him houses and everything when I buy are some new liars, if you notice him did come out and apologize and tell them say Errol Vaz and his wife and done. You remember say him come out and say that?
If conference, I don't know how it go because most people go just to go see cartel.
Yeah, cartel them go visit man. If you never see if cartel then go. I find this so my goal is that it shoot up himself, it shoot up himself straight. But you see through cartel go and him feel like he get a little eye, him feel like say yes. But the people them Mark Wolin, you never get refused say it in your life.
Hey, them can't tell me nothing. All them matter about Jamaica PNP country, you know when me laugh, when me say him concert ticket and him go there, the conference, him concert ticket just stand up on him like man and nah sell.
You have to change, you know, see the same change, man, and come back and apologize.
Change, and nobody go no more meeting, and nobody mix up no more politics business.
Yeah, man, go apologize, man.
Stand up on him, man. Till him have to apologize, man. Them stand up on him like, man, all what cartel fan here, we not go say we not go be him fan, but you can't go do that. You're crazy. And them say they got to preserve each of them conference. What you do to me?
And that me I say, mama, you see what money man come on road and make you know. Third time me I'm out when him in the road before. Man I make right now.
The whole of them couldn't get a visa.
Yeah, look, Butch go I get back visa and them at time.
A 15-year bounty killer being man and a visa fine. 15 years.
And whole of man then get back the visa and this administration. I mean I tell you say yo.
And then let me tell you something, General. Andrew Holness and Babs Grange them help bounty killer being. That's when them honor them. So the honor what them give them, alright this stuff. Them automatically I forget about them visa because them get OD in a brother. So in the way I hold on with people them for. You see me I say? Them get out of distinction. Remember I know say bounty killer and being a man get them thing and a full government. A full government recognize them man, they recognize especially bounty killer. Bounty killer get the worst fight in the music.
Them a PMP and them never get it in a feed them time and them don't get it. Just like how you see it, you know. You see a king never get crowned in them palace. He never get you have to go and feed and that with them. Them not respect them.
God look how the other country they made a Caribbean them praise Andrew Holness and on mind.
Not lie.
True.
Not lie.
The whole Caribbean are praise Andrew Holness. The whole world are praise the man. But fool people them watch. That's the worst thing in a brother for seeing that people are praise food prime minister.
And that again to you know, sorry Dan. The whole world I look up how we you know. The whole world I look up how we you know. I mean I tell you say yo, them people in that country, I tell them I don't know they're blind so.
We all them deal with Jamaican and Jamaica Prime Minister. One time you say, no God Jamaica because this one, no God Jamaica, all murder rate drop. Murder rate drop. So everybody I say, Jamaica one good place to come have a vacation. Jamaica one good place to come
America, I remember say America lift the thing off away from 3 to 2, you know. the travel advisory, you know, them lift it from tier 3 to we're gonna tier 2. So Andrew Holness, I'm matter of fact, I'm telling you something. Remember, say Andrew Holness never tell nobody at Jamaica say why 2025 everything about set like how it is set, you know. Man say Vision 2030. Vision 2030 is Jamaica will be a place where you live, sleep with your door open, and do business. That Andrew Holness tell me. Me never hear all I hear them PMP them run up and down and talk about Andrew Holness never tell Jamaica say by 2025 everything will be exactly perfect. And him say by 2030 Jamaica will be a place, the place, and to the way we see Jamaica run now. Third term.
They up on the farm against themselves because of them are the reason to for make them door can't keep open. And them are the reason they can't sleep with them door open. Enough of them are the weapon on the farm against themselves. You see there? Enough of them are the weapon on the farm against themselves, and them know why them door can't sleep open.
Oh yeah, after no man they walk up and in Jamaica and shoot people like a wild bird. I will mix up on them foolish and them family mix up and them people mix up. And them people are them the people that I push up the crime rate in Jamaica and the man them will mix up in some man who bad mind so youth, some youth are making money and sending money go give one big man over the country and feel like the youth are little youth more than the man money and rob him and the man. And them think they mash up Jamaica and all I will know it. You see me? So it's not like they come talk like say a randomly woman walk up and down and just shoot innocent people randomly. No. Sometimes we have me there in the wrong place at the wrong time. But 99%
it do happen, but rarely.
Yeah, 99% of the time my man them go out with them shit. Make even if you're there in the wrong place, it's a man who go out with them shit there in that place there. Where you're there. To make that happen to you. So me I show you mama. So 99% of the time, the most of foolish them who go on Jamaica reprisal. War, man, a war for all foolish.
All right. The other day, we see something with a girl, with the police guy, but the policeman kill. And I try to kill himself, but in family. But before we know the situation, say I'm family, carry him go to hospital. Don't we, when we hear about the two killing, we say Jesus shouldn't kill them, you know, and whatever. In my perspective, me I say them shouldn't dead for real because none of them pull the trigger. But when you hear about it and them I say the reason why the cousin here dead are because him carry him cousin go to hospital. I'm cousin, but remember say you as a girl relative of the girl family in yourself, you say
yeah, if them blood a boil.
Yeah, mama, that my place that about.
Yeah, man. I tell a brother, say, you see. Yeah, man, go on, brother. Go on, man. I hear
really yeah, man, I really go on. I see him thing what she has say, family, but it's like the youth did not try to kill himself, but he don't want to kill himself. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So a planting. So in family come and bring him to the hospital. And you know, say man knows that go on. That's why two of them get slapped with it. You see it?
Yeah.
Right now, curfew there. You think tens right now, man, I tell you.
Yeah, because you know him is an ex-soldier and stuff.
Get up and kill people, so it have to come off a reason.
Off a reason, brother.
Yeah.
You know, no people don't really understand what go on they say and all that. So you see it, people got candlelight and man come in for shoot up the candlelight when them not really understand what cause them. You see what I say, brother?
Yeah, man, police are stop that up, man.
Because if it was one of our family, would have wanted the same thing to farm, you know?
And that's why I mention it. That is why I mention that. Can I say logically, people just not dead. So something behind something. Why them dead? Something behind something.
Sorry about that. I was on a meet now. Lati J. Lati? I'm going to text up on TikTok. Send me a number because we're going to make a walk in your community about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Today.
Not bad. Of course, I can send them a number. I can link up with my... Hold on, today the 15th.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I send you a number. I'm going to send you a number.
Yeah, send it on WhatsApp.
I send you a number. Not you walk. I send you a number. I know why. I send you a number.
Yeah. Because I'm there on the canvas now because I'm big show. I can't change. I'm a blood green. My mother, my father, everybody for me agree.
So, in purpose, girl, why you see it count, do you think?
Jesus Christ. Me not even know tell them. Me know said overflow. Me know said the nerves them rock up now. Me know all them not go on. They not position in the parliament no more. Like, come out. Come out. Who want them out? But me know us win. Me just know say a victory. But me just know say just victory.
You don't care how much seat to win. Just
no,
want to win.
We just know so we win. A victory.
That is it.
And we want win. We just give them a rock. One rock. A rock we rock them out. A one rock we rock them out. We don't want to do too much. One rock we rock them out. Because at least Anna wants to step over there now. All share ball. PMP is rubbish. Yeah, I never know it. I say so. We work right too. Up to now, I depend on the road. I work. More and better Jamaica. Better Jamaica. We win, man.
My views. I go on, daddy. Yeah, man, respect, man, you know.
I'm on to the work, you know. Just allow the people come
no, they me and the sister, they might go and do works them way, you know.
Yeah, man, because the work has to continue, but I can't stop, you know.
And if somebody on the live can send me some foreign credit. Who can send me some credit on the live?
Foreign credit.
Some credit.
I'll top you up, man. We're not today.
Huh?
You get a top up, but not today.
Okay.
But start something.
Again?
Let's start something, man.
Oh.
What's going on, man?
Yeah, the brother, I'm just go and say clean up, you know, so I don't get the
yeah.
You know, I have to go in a little more, no?
Yeah, man. Go and beat them strong.
Yeah,
man, respect, man.
On the road. Me the
Like
in my house and
your
the
place,
work.
like
Yeah, man. Now for what, man? Never stop working now.
Yeah, man, it's a Sunday night look good, no?
No, but now tell somebody said, your place never look less than that, you know. Every time that comes
that is it. Me text up on TikTok, your message.
All right.
I'm saying
when I will finish, like
this is the news
yeah, man.
Campaign.
Because me, I want cluster supervisor, so you know.
Yeah, man, I told that I thought, brother.
Yeah, man, but the campaign kick off long time, you know, but you just them are do some ground work, you know.
Yeah, me feel like that. Me feel like some local ground work them finish up before them push out the campaign thing out the road for you know.
I'm want still, you know. I'm want.
Push it out, I need.
Well, me know what I'm going to do. If it's a reach out there, me know what I'm going. I mean, I'm going to but you know, it's a surprise. It's a surprise thing. I'm going to hit. A surprise thing. I'm going to hit me.
Hey, me I tell you something. My view. I mean, I tell all Labour right this. Never. I was Labour right party push out like how them push out for this one. Remember me tell that. I mean, not talk about we like. Not even talk about we like the big heads them. Cause guess why? Andrew Holness and the bigger heads them. They know what them have to protect here.
Yeah, man.
That is we just know a little bit of it. They know what them have to protect.
Yeah, smart you.
We're not going to see Labour right push out so in a history.
True.
Out in a everyone.
Sonny, just listen to PSOJ, man. PSOJ, you know, you them have nothing real bad to say about the government, everything.
Never.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the private sector want to go, you know, say anybody where the private sector win can't lose, you know, because private sector them 100%, you know. And most of them private sector people are about the government, them give them worker incentive for go vote, you know. Remember me tell you that.
You know, just touch one a shiver right now, brother. A shiver.
Andy, what go on, bro? Yeah, I'm here go before me jump. I'm just one jump, you know. I just want to tell everybody respect and thanks the past through one. We do
Yeah,
it
man.
tomorrow again, because you know, one night I work, so I have to go all of the press, isn't it?
This is right.
Look yourself,
I'm a big up yourself, man. Get some rest, man.
Yeah, man.
Everybody link up same way.
Yeah, man, everybody just follow up each other, man. Who don't follow each other, follow up each other. And
So, question, I'm sending you a friend request, so.
Throw me full and never go send them a number. So it's full.
yeah, man, respect, man. And watch out, show one voting now. Everybody just keep on the work. And we are gonna link up somewhere. Cause remember say everything soon start up. You see it, so. But we just go and do the work on the media and keep the thing going until we link face to face. So big up on yourself and respect, isn't it?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
One up.
Too.
Alright, brother. Self and respect, isn't it?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
One up.
Too.